Now let us discuss the sorting techniques. Sorting techniques. So we have so many types of sorting techniques. Few of them are the bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, heap sort, merge sort. So few of them are the bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, heap sort and the merge sort. Now let us discuss about the bubble sort. Bubble sort. So bubble sort also known as a exchange sort. Exchange sort. The bubble sort also call it as a exchange sort. So here sorting means arranging the values in an order. Arranging the values in an order, either ascending order or in descending order. Either ascending order or in descending order. Arrange the values in an order. Okay, so this is one of the technique to sort the values in an order, either ascending order, descending order. So how this sorting technique takes place? Let us take the example of some values. 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 1. Sorry, minus 8. Let us take this example to sort the values in an order by using this bubble sort. Now, while bubble sort, so here it follows the comparison method. So here this is the first element and this is the second element. First element and the second element. First element and the second element. So first it compares first element with the second element with the symbol greater than symbol. Okay. So if it is true, so first it compares with first element and the second element. Okay. Here the comparison takes place. If it is true, if this condition is true, is 5 greater than true? No, it is not true. So no need to exchange. No need to exchange their places. No need to exchange their places. Okay. Now let us take the second. Now first element with the third element. First element with the third element. So what is the first element? 5. What is the third element? 9. Is it true? No. Is it false? Okay, it is false. So no need to exchange. Now first element with the fourth element. So what is the first element and the fourth element? 2. 5 greater than 2. Is it true? Yes, true. Now here exchange takes place. So exchange means the 5 is in the first place, 2 in the fourth place. So 5 has to move to the fourth place and 2 has to move to the first place because 2 is less than 5. To arrange it is an order, the 2 must be in the first place. Okay. Now let us take the temporary variable. Temporary variable. First move 5 to the temporary variable. Then 2 to the first place. Then from temporary variable 5 to the fourth place. So this is the swapping. We call it as a swapping. So by extending these values we call it as a swapping. So we have to swap 5 with the 2 and 2 with the 5. So it has to move to the fourth place, 2 has to move to the first place. Now the array change. After swapping, now the order values becomes 2, 7, 9, 5, 3, 4, minus 8. Okay, this is the order. 2, 7, 9, 5, 3, 4, minus 8. Now, let us continue with the same. 2, 7, 9, 5, 3, 4, 3, 4 minus 8. Okay. Now compare 2 with 3. Compare 2 with 3. Okay. So 2 greater than 3. No. So no swapping. No need to swap because the condition false. No need to swap. Now compare 2 with 4. Compare 2 with 4. No, the condition false. No need to swap. Now compare 2 with minus 8. The condition true. Now here swapping takes place. Swapping takes place. So how the swapping takes place? The 2 is moved to the temporary variable. From temporary 8 minus 8 moves to the first place, and from temporary variable 2 shift to the 8. Now the array becomes, now the order becomes minus 8, 7, 9, 5, 3, 4, 2. This is the order, the changed order. Okay. Now, so minus 8. So all from the given data, the first element is the smallest of the remaining elements. Now compare again 7 and 9. 7 and 9. 7 greater than 9. Is it true? No. 7 greater than 5. Is it true? No. 7 greater than 3. Yes, it is true. So swap. Now the array becomes minus 8, 3, 9, 5, 7, 4, 2. Now compare 3 with 4. Is it true? No. Now compare 3 with 2. Is it true? Yes. So swap. So now the array becomes minus 8, 2, 9, 5, 7, 4, 3. Okay. Now the first are the first two positions values in the safe place. Now compare 9 with 5. Okay. So 9 with 5. 9 greater than 5. So it is true. Now swap. Minus 8, 2, 5, 9, 7, 4, 3 after swapping. Okay. Now compare 5 with 7. Compare 5 with 4. Yes. 5 greater than 4. True. So what happens here? If the condition is true, then swapping takes place. After swapping, the order is going to change. 9, 7, 5, 3. Now compare 5 with 3. 4 with 3. Sorry, 4 with 3. Yes, true. So swap. Minus 8, 2, 3, 9, 7, 5, 4. The first 3 are in the safe place. Now compare 9 and 7. Okay, true. So swap. So after swapping, minus 8, 2, 3, 7, 9, 5, 4. Now 7 and 5. Minus 8, 2, 3, 5, 9, 7, 4. Now 5 and 4. Minus 8, 2, 3, 4, 9, 7, 5. 9 and 7. Minus 8, 2, 3, 4, 7, 9, 5. Sorry. 5, 7, 9. Now compare. Minus 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So this is the sorted order. This is the sorted order. So in this manner, the bubble sort takes place. So for only few values, it takes lot of time to sort the array elements. It is a simple sort, and it also a worst case to execute to using this bubble sort, because it takes lot of time to sort the values. Thank you.